Ashkeeves now has Keychron Q2 pre-built bundles. This is a gray Keychron Q2 that was built by their team. This pre-built variant starts at $112 US or 160 Canadian. It comes with stock Alexandrites, pre-lubed Keychron stabs, and PBT MV Synth keycaps. This pre-assembled variant will provide a great typing experience right out of the box. You will also receive a mystery deskmat to pair with your build. This build can be modified further with some lube to fit your preference. Here's how it sounds.